Welcome back to V8 Vision. Today, we're exploring something that feels straight out of the future, the 2026 Bugatti and Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury hypercar on wheels, built to deliver an unmatched combination of speed, elegance, and five-star comfort wherever you go. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. Bugatti's signature horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that give it an aggressive yet refined stance. The two-tone paint job seamlessly blends glossy metallic finishes with deep ceramic accents, giving the motorhome a look that resembles a concept hypercar more than a traditional RV. Rolls-Royce influence is evident in the sculpted chrome trims, hand-polished wheels, and the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem mounted at the front. Yes, this is a collaboration where both luxury legends have left their mark. The chassis is built on a carbon titanium hybrid frame for weight reduction and strength, allowing this motorhome to achieve incredible performance. Under the hood, or rather under the cabin, is a quad-turbocharged hybrid W16 engine producing over 1,500 horsepower, paired with an electric drive system that allows smooth, silent city cruising. It can go from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, a figure unheard of for a vehicle of this size. Step around to the side and you'll notice the massive panoramic windows that darken automatically for privacy, as well as the deployable side steps that light up as soon as you approach. The rear features a stunning light bar stretching across its width, retractable spoilers, and even a roof-mounted deck that can be raised for open-air lounging under the stars. Now let's step inside, because this is where the magic truly happens. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by handcrafted interiors that scream Rolls-Royce elegance. Plush cashmere carpets line the floor, and the cabin is bathed in soft, ambient lighting that can be customized in millions of color combinations. The steering wheel and dashboard are wrapped in the finest leather, with crystal-clear digital displays, giving you a futuristic, cockpit-like feel. The living area is designed like a luxury lounge, with rotating leather recliners, a marble coffee table, and a 4K OLED entertainment wall. The windows use electrochromic glass to let in light or block it out at the touch of a button. A starlight ceiling, inspired by Rolls-Royce's Phantom, creates the illusion of a night sky above you, no matter where you're parked. Moving further back, the kitchen is fully equipped with smart appliances, including a hidden induction stove, a wine cooler, and even an AI-powered assistant that suggests recipes based on what's in your fridge. The bedroom suite is just as stunning, with a king-size bed that folds and adjusts at multiple angles, a wall-mounted display, and full climate control. The bed faces a massive window that can slide open for a fresh air experience, perfect for waking up to a mountain sunrise or ocean breeze. Even the bathroom feels like a luxury spa, with a rainfall shower, touchless faucets, and heated flooring. Every surface feels premium, from the brushed aluminium fixtures to the hand-finished stone walls. And of course, the motorhome is equipped with cutting-edge tech, biometric security, satellite internet, autonomous driving features, and a surround sound system tuned by Bugatti's audio engineers. You can control everything through a central touchscreen or simply by voice command. This 2026 Bugatti and Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just a way to travel. It's a statement of power, luxury, and innovation. With a price tag starting around $450,000, it's built for the very few who want to own not just a motorhome, but a rolling piece of art.